Hello, my name is Vivek Bajaj. I am in financial market for last 20 years. This is an important message. When you are taking any stock idea from anyone, please make sure that the person with whom you are associating is a SEBI registered research analyst. If you are not doing that, and if anything goes wrong, if the person takes your money and there is a fraud which that person commits, finally, you will not be able to go to regulator and claim anything. All the regulated research analysts like myself, StockEdge, and many more people, we all are under the law of the land. Having said that, if you are a research analyst and if you are not yet part of the Association of Research Analysts of India, then you are missing something very, very interesting which we are doing. As an association, our role is to represent a research analyst, present our thought process to the regulator, and make sure that the entire ecosystem grows in most cleanest manner. So if you are an RA, please become part of this association called ARAI. The website is behind me. Become part of it. It's a very, very nominal cost association, but the work we are doing to represent you is just amazing.